Let's see how to solve the assignment problem. Phase 1 is row and column scanning. First, identify the minimum value in each row and subtract this value from the respected row values. Similarly, complete the column reduction. Next, I have to go for the second phase. In the second phase, first I have to go for the row scanning. In this, mark a square 0 and draw a vertical line if row having the only one 0. Similarly, I have to go for the column scanning. In the column scanning, draw horizontal line if column having the only one 0. If square marked zeros are not equal to the number of rows, then you have to identify the minimum value of undeleted cell value and add at interaction points and subtract at the undeleted cell value. And this is the resultant new matrix. Then once again I have to go for the row scanning and the column scanning and treat the solution as marked by a square. Thank you.